Hello everybody, today it's me Pierre Farrugia, and today I'm going to do a review of an outdoor tool or a gadget, or as I say many times from this company, a piece of art. As you know, I have many knives from Beaver craft tools, and one of them is my favorite all time. I have an X now, and now I even have something very light, which I can carry with me even while hiking or backpacking on the long run, when I don't really need to do bushcraft. The tool is the neck knife from Beaver craft tool. This is the NCK2 Neck Knife Leather Sheath. It comes with a necklace that you can put around your neck, and like this, and even if you want to be discreet, you can put it inside like this, and as if you have nothing. It weighs, if I'm not mistaken, around 80 grams. But for this review, let's put it outside. Let's go in detail a little bit about the knife. It comes in this leather sheath. You can see the stainless steel tip is very small, and this is the lanyard it comes with. You can see very well the logo. They don't spare any detail, this Beaver craft. But now let me show you a little bit the knife. Let's show you the knife in more detail. When you wear it as a necklace, it's very comfortable, as if you don't have nothing. Remember that the weight is very, very light. If I'm not mistaken, just 80 grams. Since it's made of leather, it's not something synthetic. They doesn't itch, they does not annoy you, and feels really comfortable to the body. But let's go to what's important, and let me show you the knife. This is a minimalist knife, and at the end does everything what one needs to do. It's very comfortable in the hand. It's a very small blade, it's very sharp, but at the end, what can go wrong with a piece of stainless steel which is solid? If when not in use, you can just put it back inside the sheath. The sheath is cowhide, as all the products, and from the testing I did, apart from being beautiful and its logo, it ages very nicely, and the more it ages, the more character you get to your knife. The knife, the length, like this, from here to here, is 152 millimeter, has a 70 millimeter blade, has an 82 millimeter handle, comes with a hole so you can put even a lanyard to it. The steel is X50CrMoV15. I don't know this stuff, but I'm giving you all the specs. The grind is saber, but as I tell you, I don't have experience with this stuff, but what I know, that it cuts, and it cuts very well, and it's very sharp. And when you have a knife like this, most probably you will use it when we have knives. For what we use it most is eating, cutting a rope, or something like this. So if you're slicing an apple, slicing some cheese or some salami, or as you will see, some tomatoes and some good bread of the Maltese, I think this one will be perfect. Since it's very light, you don't feel it on your neck. Another good thing is you can even sleep with it at night. So if you just put it inside the sheath like this, as if you don't have nothing. Till now, I am very pleased with it. Apart from being so nice, it has been functional, which is at the end the most important aspect of this knife. I don't have a lot more to tell you about it, apart from being stainless steel and it doesn't corrode. But now, the most important stuff is, let's put it to the test, because a knife is nice, but if it doesn't cut, is for nothing. So let's do some tests with it. Let's prepare some Maltese bread. Yeah? These reviews are always a good review for me to eat some good Maltese bread. Yeah? Now that I show you the knife, I have to try it out. And what a better excuse to make some traditional Maltese bread. Mela, let's start with the ingredients. First, we have a good Maltese tea. Then we have some tomato, Maltese tomato, which is very good. We have some Maltese olive oil. We have a gozo pepper cheese. How good it is, yeah. Then I have some mint, if I'm not mistaken, because I sometimes mistake the herbs, and I have some salt and pepper, and this will be the perfect recipe. Yeah? So now let's start making the bread. Yeah? So let's start by slicing open our bread, and this is a test for our Beaver craft neck knife. Yeah? And look how sharp it is. Yeah? So I have my bread. Look how simple it is. I think at the end I don't need a better knife than this one. And our bread is ready. Now what we have to do is we cut the tomato and spread the tomato on the bread. Yeah? So this is the next step. Our next step is to cut the tomato in half, so we can spread it. Don't have problems or cutting it up. We put this one here, the oil we can put it here, move this here, we can open our bread and we spread there. Look how beautiful it's spreading the tomato like this, and we do the same on the other half. The more juicy the tomato is, the better it will be. Then you can spread the tomato inside like this. Now you get the olive oil and you spread it generously on the ftir. The best way we do it here, we do like this. Oops, my knife just fall off. Let's spread like this the tomato, because now let's put some herbs which will make it more tasty. Now some pepper. It's always good to put a lot. It's good. Put some salt, not too much. So what we can do, we get the Maltese jbejna or gozo pepper cheese. We cut it. This is very, how you say, this is the dry one. It's a little bit hard. Look at the cheese. We put it on this side like this. We put the tomato here, and this one we can close it. And now the most important part, we can start eating. Comes the most important part of the preview. Look how beautiful the Maltese tira with the pepper cheese it is. And we have to start digging in. Issa, we cannot eat the ftira and not have a cheese. As usual, I have the cheese strong, and with the ftira it will taste delicious. Cheers, guys. To start eating, I will do like this. I had diphtheria and take a good bite. The crunch, and while eating diphtheria, you grab a piece of ġbejna and it is heavy, no? I just came from Nepal and I'm missing the Maltese bread. This type of bread here is very typical in Malta and it's called diphtheria. And this is called ftira bizzejt. Ftira is the bread, zayt is the olive oil. Yeah? And look at this pepper cheese. So, what a better way to test my knife? Past flying colors, because it's small, but it's the right size. Most when we go to camping, most we use the knife for food. And this one caters for everything. Super sharp, super strong. Yeah? So, Beaver craft, big thumbs up, and you deserve a cheers. Yeah? Remember, Chisk, you're still not sponsoring me. Hope you can hear the crunch from the mic. And here, the herbs. I need to do more reviews like this. After 2 weeks trekking in Nepal, I deserve a good stay. I've been dieting 10 months, but it's too good. I can clean my knife like this, put it in its holster, and like this. Cheers, see you next time.